Boleh dengar semua. Kak-cik, fireman semua. Terima kasih. Naik dulu robot semua.
Oh, I love you guys.
Habis tu.
And he was like, kau jangan gitu, kau buat gini. Hebat! Dia sini last minute, I was ask, kau tak gini. I know she never get irritated in video. I said, kau tak gini betul gini. I don't know, after sampai my warbler, I reach my warbler, like, they all my nervous one, macam, I intentionally flow, I don't know how it comes to me. So level, I thought this was but anyway, yes.
The video is like, I can see macam I'm so proud of like kepaduan and awak like you are really solid tau dia. Terus flow kan your beat and everything. I was like, oh my god. Saya macam ni like motivate sikit lah macam happy gila lah to like you on stage. You are like, like how your ragam and everything. I think like I can feel the vibe. It was like very positive and very like happening tu kat stage. It was fun lah then. Apa tu, especially like my Kak Cik last time, I was like, oh my god, like bagus gila ni, like Kak Cik macam jalan-jalan, I was like, I was very happy lah, macam very touched and especially bila part, I think Mas Matang tu, aku dapat tepuk, it was like perfect gila, aku stimulus dia macam it was so fun.
So unexpected because I myself nervous lah. Aku tengok Papa lagi nervous. Terus step dia macam I okay lah. Aku kena nervous gila. Aku pusing tau kiri korang semua gitu. Terus dah I dah patah. I tengok korang buat gitu I macam okay I dah patah gila. On stage yang buat I macam keep on going walaupun penat gila was the hour. Korang macam kau gila-gila lah. Habis korangnya the most happiest thing was like korangnya post support solo korang tak lulus.
But I really can hear. Then part Kelantan is seriously dia punya whatever part that Papa play is wow. I was so shocked, you know. It's super lah. I think Papa really did very well. And somehow kita tak ada makan ni. Dan korang tak ada time to that. Penat is penat, but korang tak tunjuk korang penat. I cannot see lah, but then after I watch the video korang tak tunjuk korang penat. It's really super lah. And Kak Cik, job well done seriously. I saw you kneeling down, then I was like, okay, I like your watak. I think you really bring your watak well. Sini. Tak. You did. Super lah, super. It's like a rotation lah. Like, we have to support each other. Motivate each other lah. Fireman, dari awak to fireman to even paluan. Whatever it is, we have to work well with each other. We are a team, right? And I salute Amia for abang ajar dia dapat everything on the spot. Then she ajar kita. Then she always come to me. She say, aku takut lah. Aku tengok macam aku risau orang tu dia cakap aku takut. Like aku ajar gini salah, so nanti diorang buat salah. Tapi it all comes back to me, you know. Then I was like, no, actually you did it very well. It's kita je yang salah. We have to standardize lah. It's not that you teach wrongly. It's like what Abang say, kita boleh tukar ragam and everything asalkan kita boleh buat and what we're comfortable with what. But really I salute Amia. She did it actually.
Macam okay, like kadang aku ajar korang ragam is quite hard. Like ajar korang semua like okay, you guys should be satu hari ajar then you all know how it feels like. But I'm really happy lah because I keep on worrying, you know, like some parts maybe tak bagus. Then I see the video, oh my god, I was worrying about the Aminah cakap. Then when I see the video, everybody did it just touches me. I'm very happy lah. And like yeah, you guys did a very good job. I really love today. face
Yay!
performance.
I think the seniors being kat tingkat 2 or even dekat the audience chair is really something that can motivate us to do better. Motivate us to do better. Right? And we can do better lah.
For me, looking out and seeing the seniors, and seeing like Ami, Aidil, and then like Nina, everyone, and even the boys who were sitting there, like just for me, I thrive on encouragement, and like when I see people who I like love, and then they are like supporting me, I will want to do good. I have like that motivation because like they are there to like encourage us. So thank you to the seniors and also I think the boys also.
I feel I really enjoy kan diorang asyik cakap enjoy the performance and then aku selalu macam aku kena fokus on the raga because kalau aku enjoy nanti raga aku lupa. So at that point of time aku macam just enjoy and at the same time I manage to balance. Yeah, that was the most happiest thing then never expect in a 100 million years where like macam that if I was in primary school or secondary school right now macam kau sedikit lol aku I will never think like I don't even know DK Barat Girls exist lol. Yeah, then if you ask me then I will be very surprised. Then someone in PSS case is a very big thing for poly students. Yeah, so I'm very happy that I managed to at least try. Yeah,
No, to see all from day one to now, and korang have grown so much And some of y'all asked me why I cried just now because I've been with you all since last year sampai sekarang, and it touches my heart to see korang, like what Rabia said from baby. So
Merangkak
and whatever korang dan lain it's like is this the babies that I had during the first few days of training, that kind of thing.
Yeah, I just want to say it's really nice to see how much we've grown together. Like from the time that we came as people who like don't have any background and we came, like performing on stage representing our school for good's sake. And then yeah, this is nice lah. And then this is nice to know that I have this group of people like always there. Whenever, like every day, you go to the club room, you see familiar faces. It's really nice. And then like the dancing part just now. And like I don't know, I just felt so loved, and it's just really nice to know that you're part of something, like a family. Yeah, and it's like good job, like today.
I love how we surprised everyone with how good we were. Like, I love how we surprised everyone. And even I was surprised at how good we were. Like, Karen, oh my gosh! Sammy, oh my gosh, and Baluan, oh my gosh, thank you so much. Like, you guys were so loud and so good. Like, we really could hear you. And also the hour. Like, first time that I've actually felt like I enjoyed it with all of you. Like, all of you were in it. Like, we were all in it together.
For me personally, walaupun tak menang apa-apa, tak dapat disarankan any category, but kita still semua enjoy it. That's like the most important thing over there.
I like how the audience responded the performance. I think that's the most rewarding thing to see how the audience respond to our performance. It was really the most happiest thing that we could see as a performer. I mean, hati sama dengan kalah, but as long as kita dapat menahan hati sama, that's the best thing lah. for the first 3 months. Just come. Tak cakap plan N lah, but then nak cakap plan N is not plan N, but then korang dah deliver it well lah. I'm really proud of every single one of you.
Tak payah tu lah.
Make up in the city.